Another fire and another quick action. We have been burning the tips of our fence posts, burning them off in the fire. Yeah. And this is how many we have now. Quite a few. And they'll be to replace basically that line all the way down past the house there. Yeah, and we've got basic picket fence coming, a hazel picket fence we've ordered. And that'll be strung along these posts. So. But from what I've read and what I've seen, this is the best way of doing it. They last quite a bit longer, at least another 5 years longer than a normal post would. So it's worth a try. New tool, the measuring stick. So we're going to lay the stones back here as well, which means we've got to go up a bit further with the material, make that a bit higher because the blocks that we have are only 2.5 centimeters. So that's what we're doing now, it's just laying a bit more material down here. Right, we brought all of the sections of the walk-in fridge down here, which is going to be its home for the next who knows how many years, and it's going in this corner of the room here, so that's pretty big. We don't have too much room to work with at the top, but I think it should be okay. And all the rest of the pieces, the compressor, cooling fans and all that is outside. We've just got to clean them off a bit more. Getting the levels right, very important. There'll be a fine gravel layer coming down on top of this once we have compacted it, and then we can start laying the blocks. It's a calm Sunday morning and it's time to get on with the grow house that we have. All my plants are coming along nicely, a lot of tomatoes and peppers and a few gherkins and that sort of thing, so we need to get this thing up and running so we can put them out.